Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download a video from Dropbox to your phone in 2025. This is helpful when you want offline access or need to share the video outside of Dropbox. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the folder where your video is stored. Scroll until you see the video file you want to download. Tap on the file name to open it. At the top right corner of your screen, you will see 3 dots, also called the More Options button. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Save. To device or export, depending on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, choose Save Video. If you're on Android, choose Save to Device. The download will begin right away. The video will now be saved to your phone's gallery or Photos app, depending on your device. From there, you can watch it offline, share it in messages, upload it to other platforms. Remember, larger videos may take more time to download, so stay connected to Wi-Fi if possible, and that's it. That is how you download a video from Dropbox to your phone in 2025. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.